Mario Lopez has gone from Saved by the Bell to a two-time Emmy Award winner and host of Access Hollywood and Access Daily, and even has his own radio show, On with Mario Lopez. Welcome to Around the House.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate it.
Thanks for taking the time today, man. I wanted to talk today about your 50th birthday and the party you gave for yourself in your bathroom remodel.
Well, that wasn't so much a party, although it feels like it was more of a gift to myself. You know, hitting the 5th level, you can't hide it anymore because people will Google you, so you can't lie about your age anymore. But I've never been one to like splurge. I don't go buy expensive jewelry or cars or clothes for that matter. I don't go take like these crazy lavish vacations. I'm pretty conservative with my stuff and try to save for a rainy day kind of guy. But I figure, you know, 50 is a big one, and I wanted to treat myself to something. So I saw a South Park episode. True story.
I've seen that one.
You seen that one where they get the
Japanese toilet? Oh yeah.
The Japanese toilet. I forget whose dad was it. Was it not Kenny's dad? Who was it? One of their dads. They get a Japanese toilet, and I'm like, damn, does that really exist? And it was like he wanted to have parties and serve everyone Indian food and have people come blow it up at his house with this incredible toilet. And it got me so intrigued. I'm like, does that exist? So I went down a rabbit hole and started Googling it. I'm like, damn, they do exist. That's awesome. And they're expensive, but they seem like a solid investment because you obviously spend time in there, and I didn't realize it can do so many cool things. And the South Park episode wasn't too far off, so I said to myself, you know what? I'm gonna treat myself for my 50th birthday.
Nice, man. Yeah, I was looking at the pictures, and I tell you what, that Toto Neorest NX2 is the Cadillac. That thing is amazing. I got to see it at the Big Builder show earlier in the year, and that thing is stunning. It's a beautiful toilet.
It is. I would even say it's the Lamborghini. You get Cadillac, it's the Lamborghini. It looks like an art piece. It does everything for you. You need like a degree in engineering to be able to handle it, or it would seem, but it's actually pretty easy. My friends are very impressed and jealous. Yeah, it's cool.
I was going to say, what has been the response of your guests? Because I'm sure people coming over, you know, hitting the bathroom or whatever, they come out just like, what is that?
Well, they're scared to use it, to be honest, because it looks like it's complicated, but it's really not. And then they ask a lot of questions, and I said, yeah, it's cool, man. And it's definitely a conversation starter.
Nice, yeah. And, you know, you're a big health and wellness guy. Has that really changed how you look at things on your 50th birthday?
Well, I've always made health a top priority, and I always try to encourage people to make it their top priority, because if you don't have that, what good is anything else? You know, and now that I'm in the back nine of my life, I think you should focus on that more than ever, and a big part of that is self-care.
Amen, man. Amen. And so it's one of those things that, you know, I saw that same episode, and, you know, I've been in this industry for a long time, and I thought, wow, South Park did a great job of making it almost the best commercial for these, you know, beautiful bidet toilets, because they made a big deal out of it, and it even grabbed you in, which I think is absolutely hilarious.
They did. The episode was funny, but it subliminally just got me intrigued. And yeah, I don't know if that's what they set out to do, but that's the true story of why I kind of got into it.
Nice. Has your family been up knocking on the door trying to get you out of the bathroom now? Because, you know, we're guys. We tend to spend a little more time in the bathroom sometimes and go for a little solace from time to time.
Oh, yeah. I got 3 kids and 2 dogs, so I try to escape whenever I can. But yeah, the wife knows where to find me, and so do the kids for that matter.
That is great. And I heard you've got a new game show coming out here too as well, right?
I do. I'm excited about that. It's called Blank Slate. It's premiering on GSN on January 9th. And it's fun. It's a little like matching game. You have partners and teammates, and there's comics that are involved, and you try to do fill-in-the-blank answers to popular questions. And if you match up with your teammate, whoever ends up with the most points wins. There's nothing better than giving people money. So it's a fun gig, and I love games.
Nice. Nice. That's going to be great. When's that coming out again?
January 9th on the Game Show Network.
Perfect, man. Well, thanks. Mario, thanks for taking the time today, man, and I really appreciate it. You guys are doing some great stuff. I mean, you've got to be one of the busiest working mans in Hollywood.
Well, I appreciate it. Yeah, I feel very blessed with the radio show On with Mario and iHeart, Access Daily and Access Hollywood, and the game show coming up, Blank Slate. Excited about all the other stuff we got going on with the holiday movie and stuff, so yeah.
Yeah, and geez, I saw you at the tree lighting. That looked beautiful. That looks stunning.
That was a good time, yeah. New York's always fun that time of year. A little cold, but well worth it.
Exactly. Hey, brother, thanks for taking the time today. I really appreciate it.
You got it. My pleasure. Nice talking to you.